Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 20. And in this lesson, just like the last lesson, we're talking about being able to use tape diagrams as representations to solve word problems. So looking at this word problem, we know that we're going to read it 3 times, and we're going to use the steps RDW. We're going to read, draw, then write. Alright, so I'm going to read the word problem 3 times. Parker built 12 Lego models. He built 8 airplanes, but the rest were cars. How many car models did he build? I'll read it again. Parker built 12 Lego models. He built 8 airplanes, but the rest were cars. How many car models did he build? I'm going to read it again. This time I'm going to do cubes. Parker built 12 Lego models. He built 8 airplanes, but the rest, put a question mark, it doesn't tell us how many. The rest were cars. How many car models did he build? So now we just read, so I'm going to put a check. Oopsies. Put a check. So now I'm going to draw my tape diagram and I'm going to label with numbers and letters. So we know Parker built 12 Lego models. So I'm going to put an L for Lego models. He built 8 airplanes and the rest were C for cars. So how many car models did he build? So my $1 million question, does this word problem tell us the whole? Yes, this word problem sure does tell us the whole. This 12 right here is our whole. So 12 is our whole because that's how many Lego models altogether Parker built. So now we're going to draw 12 altogether since that's our whole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, space, 11, 12. Then we'll box it in and I'm going to label it 12L. And that 12L means 12 Lego models. So now, I know there's 8 airplanes. So I'm going to count 8. I'm going to put a line there. So that's the 8 airplanes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put a line right there. So it's 8 airplanes. And then this is how many cars. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 car models. So 8 airplanes, 4 car models. This is what we had to figure out, the car models. So now there's 4. So check. Whoopsies, did it again. Check. Now we did our tape diagram and labeled. We had to write the numbers in it. We know it was 8 plus mystery box equals 12. But you know our mystery box was 4. So 8 plus 4 equals 12. So Parker built blank cars, while Parker built 4 cars. Alright guys, that's it for this video.